X plus 1, x plus 3 into x minus 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 192. When you say solve, it means you need to find the value of what? X, yes. So that equation is satisfied. When you look at the screen, you can notice that the sum of 1 and, look at the screen, I'll show you, 1 and sum of 1 and minus 5. 1 and minus 5. Sum is minus 4, right? And the sum of 3 and minus 7 is again minus 4. You can notice. So both are equal. We will write two pairs together in such a way that their sum of constants would be equal. So we'll write like this. We'll write question again, and then both are equal to, both 1 minus 5 and 3 minus 4, both are equal to minus 4. So we will write these two together and these two together. Okay, bracket shows these two are pair and these two are. Now we will expand by multiplying both pairs. It will become x into x, x square minus 5x plus x minus 5. Similarly, x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. Now simplify like terms. These two are like terms because variable are same in these two. These two are like terms. We will simplify them, and these two are like terms. So after simplification, it would be minus 4x, and this be again minus 4x. So x square minus 4x minus 5, x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. We suppose in such a way that terms containing variables may vanish or disappear. These two terms containing the variable. So we can suppose it by y. So y minus 5, y minus 21. So we will suppose terms containing variable, we don't need this. So we will suppose x square minus 4x is equal to y. So it will become y minus 5 into y minus 21 is equal to 192. Okay. We expand by multiplying both expressions. We get y square minus 21y minus 5y minus plus 105. So it will become this. Then we will simplify like terms. We have what we have? Like terms are minus 21 and minus 5y. Both are like terms because variable are same. So after simplification, we will get minus 26y. So it will become the quadratic equation in a standard form. Y square minus 26y plus 105, and we will bring the 192 on the left side. All terms should be on the left side. So these two are like terms again. These two are like terms. Both are constants. So we will simplify them. After simplification, it will be minus 87. So y square minus 26y minus 87 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in a standard form, which I mentioned before. Let's solve this by factorization. Okay, and you know how can you factorize? In order to factorize, we will split the middle term into two terms. How? We will take the product of the coefficient of y square and constant. Look at the screen. Coefficient of y square is 1 and constant is minus 87. So if you multiply these two, you will get 1 into minus 87 is equal to minus 87. So the product would be equal to minus 87 and sum needs to be equal to minus 26. So we need to think about two numbers whose product is minus 87 and whose sum is minus 26. So what will be the two numbers? I'm saying minus 87 is the product, right? And minus 26 needs to be the sum. We think about two numbers whose sum is minus 26, whose product is minus 87, and whose sum is the middle one. So what will be the numbers? Number is 29 three times 87, but we need minus 87, so we will write negative sign on the greater one because we need minus 26. So minus 29 plus 3 is minus 26. Sum is correct and product is also correct. The means these two, minus 29 and 3, are two numbers. When we multiply them, we will get the product minus 87, and we will add them, we'll get the sum minus 26. So we will split minus 26 into minus 29 and plus 3. So we will write minus 29y plus 3y. Okay, like this. Look, after splitting middle term, now we will take two terms, first two terms and last two terms. We will take common. Okay, so these are the two numbers required to split the middle term. Now we have y square minus 29y plus 3y minus 87 is equal to 0. In order to factorize, we take common in first two terms and last two terms. In first two terms, what do we have in common? Yes, so we take y as common only, y common, and what left? Y minus 29. So, and last two terms, only 3 is common. So we are left with y minus 29. Okay. And now we have two terms, y into y minus 29 and 3 into y minus 29. Now we have two terms. What do we have common in these two terms? Y minus 29. Yes, y minus 29. And we are left with y plus 3. So we can write y plus 3 into y minus 29 is equal to 0. This y plus 3 into y. And you know, if the product of two expressions is 0, then one of them has to be 0. So if this is 0, so 0 multiplied by y minus 29 will be 0. Correct? If this is 0, so 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by y plus 3 is again 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So we write either y plus 3 is equal to 0 or y minus 29 is equal to 0. And after simplification, it would be y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 29. These are the two values of y which we supposed in the beginning of the question. Now we need to find the value of x which was given in the question. So now we will substitute the value of y back so that we can find x. Put y minus 3 in this, x square minus 4y is equal to y. This is our supposition. Put the value of y minus 3 in this, so it will be minus 3. Look, it's minus 3. And you know, in same way, we will solve by factorization. Before factorization, we will collect all the terms on the left side. It will become x square minus 4, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now simplify, or we can say solve this. This is a quadratic equation, and again we will solve like factorization method. Split the middle term. Think about the two numbers, which product is 3 and whose sum is minus 4. So we will do like this. This is, you know, the product of these two is 3 and the sum is minus 4. Again, we will take common in first two terms and last two terms. So it will be x into x minus 3 minus 1 common in last two terms, x minus 3 left. So Now we have two terms. What we have common in these two terms? Yes, yes, x minus 3 common and x minus 1 left. So we will write x minus 3 into x minus 1. Again, you know, the product of two expression is equal to 0, then one has to be 0. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. After simplification, we will get these two final answers, right? X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Now again, we will take y is equal to 29 and put this value back into our supposition. Look, our supposition is x square minus 4y is equal to y. Put this value, y is equal to 29. So this is 29. So collect all the terms on the left side. We'll get, this is a quadratic equation in standard form in one variable. So we can, you know, the product of the coefficient of x square and 29 is 29. So 29 is a prime number. We cannot factorize further. So we cannot break the middle term. So we will solve it by using the quadratic formula. Okay, in this case, you know, we know that the coefficient of x square is always a. It's called a. The coefficient of x is b, and the constant is c. So here a is 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 29. So we have the formula, quadratic formula. We cannot solve by factorization, so we will use this formula. This is called quadratic formula. Okay, substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula. We'll get this. B is minus 4, b minus 4, a 1, c minus 29, a 1. After simplification, it would be plus 4. This would be plus 16. It would be minus minus plus. 4 into 29. 4 into 29 is 116, 116, and 2 upon 2. So it will become 4 plus minus 16 plus 116 upon 2. After simplification, it would be 132. 16 plus 116 is 132. And you know, we can simplify root 132 by division, you know, 2 6 times. This is the product. Product are 2 into 2 into 2 in, sorry, into 3 into 11. 2, 2, 3, and 11. So this is a pair. So we will take it out. So 3 into 11 is 33. So after simplification, it would be 2 under root 33. Look. And in numerator, we have two terms, right? And we take 2 as common. Okay, 2 common. It will become 2 plus minus under root 33 upon 2. You can see 2 cancel. And after simplification, it would be 2 plus root 3 or 2 minus root 3. These are two answers. So we have 4 answers. You can see here. These are 2 answers. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. And now these are 2 answers. So now we have 4 answers. So now we have got 4 values of x. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 plus under root 3, and x is equal to 2 minus under root 3. Now let's verify whether these values actually satisfy the given equation or not, one by one. Let's check. X is equal to 1 first. This is our given equation. Substitute 1 instead of x. Look at the figure. Look at the screen. 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 3. This is 1 minus 5. This is 1 minus 7. So it would be 2. This is 4. This is minus 4. And this is minus 6. Okay. After simplification, it is 8. And minus 4 into minus 6 is plus 24. So 24 into 8 is 192. So proved both are equal. So x is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation because it satisfied the equation. Okay, next, second value of x is 3. Let's check it. After substituting the value, 3 plus 1, 4. This is 3 plus 3, 6. Minus 2, minus 4. Okay. After simplification, 4 into 6, 24. And this is minus negative 2 into negative 4 is positive 8. 24 into positive 8 is 192 again. So x is equal to 3 is also true for equation because it satisfied the equation. Now we will take the third value is x is equal to 2 plus under root 3. Now let's check it. This is the value of x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 5, x minus 7. After simplification, these two are 2 and 1. These two are like terms. 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 So we will simplify the like terms. After simplification, it would be this. So we will write 2 plus 3, 3 under root 33 and 5 plus 5 under root 33, right? So we should write 3 plus under root 3 and 3 minus 3 under root 3, both same. We will interchange the places because under root 3 is positive here, 3 is negative, positive, 3 is negative. So under root 3 plus 3, under root 3 minus 3, it will make the formula a plus b, a minus b. So similarly, under root 33 plus 5, under root 33 minus 5, it will again make the formula a plus b, a minus b. So we will use the formula a plus b, a minus b. Again here, a plus b, a minus b. This is a, this is b. Here, this is a, this is b, right? So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, correct? A square minus b square. So this is a square minus b square. So we will cancel the radical sign with the square here. So 33 minus 3 square means 9, 33 minus 9, and 33 minus 25 here. After simplification, 33 minus 9 is 24, and 33 minus 25 is 8. Again, 24 into 8 is 192. Now, the third value is satisfied the equation also. So this is our solution. Now, we substitute the last value, x is equal to 2 minus under root 33. After substituting the value, you can see this is again after simplification 3, and we can interchange the places. So you will get this. We will take negative sign common from this because both terms are negative in these two. So we will take negative sign common here and negative sign common here. Negative into negative, this will be positive. So after taking common, both are positive. 3 plus under root 3, this is 5 plus under root 33. So it will become this. Both will be positive. So now after simplification, we will take these two together and these two together because it will make the formula a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. This is a, what is a here? 3. And what is b? Under root 3, 33. So a square minus b square will cancel 9 minus 33, and this will become 5 square minus under root 3, 33 square. We cancel 25 minus 33, both will be negative, right? We'll cancel them. After simplification, it will become 9 minus 33 and 25 minus 33 into. Now both are negative because the greater number is negative. So minus 24 into minus 8 is again plus 192. This is also true for the given equation. It satisfied means it satisfied the equation. So all four values of x satisfied the equation. On checking, we observe that. So we can say the solution set is 1, 3, 2 plus under root 3 and 2 minus under 3. This is our solution.